the land. You know? That was when we had it. So now, we needed that bridge. After that, we now want to get a nation. That was when we now started the voting. And those are the voting can be conducted by government in exile, bridge or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
We needed that to put legitimacy to what we're doing so that the defense forces of Biafra will not be tagged terrorists. Have you ever seen where they tag them terrorists?
Okay.
They didn't tag them because they followed international law.
Yeah.
To get the paper needed to do it. And then after you did that, you now need to redeclare your nation. That's why we voted. And voting is not okay, vote today, you finish voting. You need to put things in place. You know what? People don't know how to structure. They don't know how to plan because structures have not helped them without their magical thinking, without their booted or just me say don't need me to candiala. People like Nkere who say now Magari Koke, we can't go part time. You see, the thing that if you follow Nkere this thing, he said there will be a referendum to be conducted. Nkere knew that. But knowing that British that is holding us, France, all this EU and all these people that want our resources will not give you that. PM uses international law to conduct another one. Did you see them saying that the referendum is fake? Have you ever heard anywhere they say it's fake?
Not at all. Instead, they are commenting on that.
Because people know that when he did it the right way, being a government, that's the only way we can do that to be able to give us the thing we need to be a nation. And that's why I said they should go and read the history of France. When France got their nation, France, we were just still recognizing the bridge. Their government in exile.
Yeah.
So they should go and ask Nkere. That's why it's not relevant. Everything he's doing is because they are stupid. I don't like to say people are stupid or foolish. I don't even know how to qualify them. That they are doing this thing, you think it's joke, or only I got that momentum. Illiterate everywhere.
Oh, they got too much.
They don't even understand what is bridge and what is a nation. That's why they want to go and do this man. This brother was right. And that's why I'm like, because he said it, it made me realize that people might not even know that. Look at Umo Koko that is even saying that. Everything is emotion because they still believe that they are agitating. That's what they're going. Will you see? Let's say now, Britain was angry about Elon Musk, right?
Yeah.
What he was doing. British people were angry about Elon Musk. Did you see British people come to America to protest? Because a nation, even if they come as individuals. They will go there and say, we are from London, we are coming here to protest Elon Musk for saying this about our country. Did you see that?
Not at all.
And our people still can't relate. Because this is a nation to a nation. What they can do is like what they are doing there. Now they're in their country protesting the evil, boycotting his product, or doing whatever they are doing in the name of individual, not a nation, showing their dissatisfaction. Did you see any of them coming to the US to protest?
Not at all.
So this thing they are doing, look at the caliber of people doing it, illiterate. I know when I come here and say they are illiterate. Remember, it's not forward education. The lack of common sense.
Yeah.
When you're following people, I know these people were following PM, but they did not understand what he was doing.